Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to modify this short cat post and turn it into a tall cat post. So let's get started. So if you're like me and you have some old 2x4 lumber lying around, just go ahead and use that. Went to Walmart, picked up some twine, wrapped it around a length of 2x4 here, no particular size. It gave me roughly about 3 feet of length once I was done wrapping that rope around. This was a $6 roll of rope. Cut 2 equal lengths of 2x4 to make the top, then cut 4 equal lengths for the bottom base. Pre-drilled some holes in it, cut the corners off for aesthetics. Went ahead and added some screws to each hole, and now we're just going to go ahead and line it up at the base. If you notice, I have these 2 screws fairly straight for the sides, and then the other one's going to go on the other side. I'm going to stagger these on the bottom. Those 2 screws are offset a little, as well as the other side, because those are going to go on the wide side of the 2x4. And so we're going to go ahead and start assembling it now. Now I'm just going to grab my impact driver and set these screws in on all 4 sides. Now that that's done, your bottom should look like this with all 4 sticking out in different directions, and that should give you a stable base. Now we're going to take it and apply the 2 top pieces to create a stable base for the top of this cat post. I'm going to go ahead and measure this out so I can mark my center. That way when I'm screwing them onto the upper post, at least they'll be a little centered. Now I'm going to take my small square here and just mark my line. Using that first piece, I'll just line up my 2 pieces together and mark my second line on the other side. So now that I know where I want to line that up, I'm going to stagger some holes here, pre-drill them, and set some screws in them so I can easily attach it. Now just gonna stand this up and see how it's looking. So far it's looking like it's gonna be pretty good, and so we got everything looking just the way we want it and all set up for that smaller cat scratching post that we're gonna attach to the top. And I'm gonna add a couple of brackets to the top for stability here in just a moment. Now here you can see I had a couple of brackets that I put on. I didn't film doing this, but you can see here I just added these for extra stability on the sides. Now we're going to go ahead and attach that smaller scratching post to the upper base using some 1.5 inch deck screws. Alrighty guys, well that pretty much completes this little project here. I'm kind of happy with the way it turned out. Let me know if you see something wrong with this project, because I sure did. And I made the corrections later on. But there was a little flaw in my project, and I'm pretty sure you guys will probably catch it, and I'm sure you've already caught it. But have fun looking for it, okay? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you want, okay? Thanks for watching, guys.